What's up, people? Today we are back with another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I install this 16-inch 13x4 lace front wig, and it is 200 density, you guys. Even though it didn't really feel like 200 density, it's 200 density, you guys. And yeah, so if you guys want to see me install this wig, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so here's the wig, and as I can see, I'm pushing all the hair back. This wig did come already plucked, so I didn't really have to do much. I already bleached the knots, but I didn't bleach the knots that good. But I mean, yeah, I already bleached them because I'm not a pro at this wig stuff yet. And I already have my hair braided down, and what y'all about to see me do now is put on the ball cap. And I'm trying to hide the braid right here.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do?
Okay, you guys, so here I go scratching the ball cap out, like just really scratching it, cutting the eyes and the ears out so it can be easier for when I add the glue.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you
Okay, you guys, I added the glue to the ball cap, and one mistake that I did make was I added like a little too much glue. And the only reason why I'm saying I added too much, because look how thick that line of glue is. I did not need to add that much glue. I really got a little happy, but it's okay because it's not going to really mess up anything during the process. All I have to do is just take more of the cap off when I'm finished. But here's me blow drying it, and yeah. Now I'm going in with my Ebin spray. I think that's what this is, the Ebin spray, and I'm just spraying it like where the glue isn't, so it's basically gonna be kind of on my hair. Don't really be afraid of this spray, because like I know y'all thinking, oh, you're spraying on your hair, it's gonna make your hair come out. No, because as soon as sweat touches the spray, I'm telling you, it comes right off. So yeah, the Ebin spray is just to like give it an extra hold, but the glue, it's on my forehead, so like it's not really on my hair. And just make sure you let all that Ebin spray dry before you start cutting the cap off. You guys, I got tired of holding the blow dry, so I just started to let it air dry while I go ahead and finish pushing the hair back on the wig. Now what I'm doing is just cutting off all the extra lace, and honestly the ball cap part of the wig is just probably the easiest part, but you have to make sure you cut pretty close when taking off all that cap. And yeah, okay, now right here what y'all see me doing, like remember I told y'all I added so much glue to my forehead. I don't want my forehead to just be sweating and sweating and the wig coming off, so I'm peeling some of it off my forehead. None of my hair is getting pulled off, it's literally just peeling off my forehead, because y'all can see where my hair is and all that glue. Y'all can see me kind of like pushing it up off of there because it was too much on my forehead.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Now it's time to go with the makeup, and I'm going to be using this side with the darker shade. And y'all, I don't know why, but I never get my right color. Like I never get the color that's my skin color. I swear when I be in the hair store, it look like it matches my skin, but it don't. So on this wig, it's going to look like it's kind of doesn't match my skin, but it's still going to be giving scalp, because the wig's still going to be cute. It's just the makeup just not my color. But it's okay. Next time I'll know to get a darker color, and I'm also going to put this on the wig as well. So yeah. Now what I'm doing is just cleaning up everything and making sure everything is clean. And everything with alcohol. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so for right here, what I'm doing is I'm just making sure I really fit my hair, basically. And I'm about to cut the ear tabs out, because you do not want this wig to, yeah. So my forehead is kind of big, so it was kind of hard for me to get it on my forehead and still have it not on my ear. But this wig was very big in the back. Like I had to scrap it down, and usually with my wigs I don't really have to scrap down unless I want them to be on that tight. But this wig I had to scrap down because it was so big. Okay, now right here what I started doing was just adding the glue. And y'all go in with kind of thin layers and spread it out. You can spread it out with a comb. I like to spread it out mainly with my finger because I can really spread it out. And then I'll just clean my finger off. But yeah, first I started spreading it out with the comb, but then I was like, okay, this comb not really doing nothing. So I went to my finger, and my finger did it so much better.
Everything about you, your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million.
Okay, you guys, I ended up putting 5 layers of glue on. After I put one layer on, I let it dry, I put the other. I didn't record me doing all 5 layers because I didn't want this video to be too long for you guys. But yeah, this is me just waiting for it to dry, basically. Okay guys, I know everyone tells you to let the glue dry all the way, then go ahead and lay the lace. But the only reason why I didn't let the last layer dry that much is because I found that once I let all of the layers dry, it already re-dried, so it's harder for me to add the lace to it. But do what works best for you. Me, I did not let that last layer dry all the way. I let it dry half the way. Then I started to pull my lace up and stretch it as much as I can to add it to the glue. And then I kind of like put my fingers in it to like make sure it was sticking into the glue. Then I, combed it and did all that. And you'll see this in the video. Now I know y'all gonna be like, but now the white glue showing through the lace or whatever. It's gonna dry and it's not gonna show because that's what happened. The lace glue, it dried and then it didn't show. So yeah. Okay, you guys, now what I did was just add the melting band. And as y'all can see, you kind of see where the wig's too big for my head. But anyways, I just added that straight onto the lace and tied it as tight as I could. And while I did that, while I waited for that to finish melting the lace, I just went ahead and combed my hair, added some foam lotion or whatever, and yeah. As y'all can see, this side is really giving scalp already. Now we just gotta cut the other side, and the other side, as y'all can see, is not all the way dry yet, but it's okay because it's gonna dry.
And we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride all night, working in the middle. I wanna ride all night, working in the middle. I wanna feels alright, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you.
Okay, you guys, here we go. So I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm not good with edges. I don't even think I did most of my edges on camera. I think all the rest of my edges was done off camera. But here's me doing my edges. Okay, y'all, so this is basically the end of this video, but this wig was a good wig. The only thing is, I do not believe this wig is 200 density, even though that's what it says on the description. This wig was definitely not 200 density. They definitely lied. Maybe it was like 1 something density, but it was not 200. When this hair was wet, it was very thin. Like, the ends was very thin, so like, but you had to like wet it. Like, I didn't really wet it. But if I wetted it like how I did the next day, then you will see that this hair was not 200 density. But other than that, this wig was pretty good. Do I recommend buying it? If you don't care about the density, then yes, you should buy it. But if you care about density, then don't buy it because it's not a 200 density wig. But yeah, I rate this wig a 10, and I love how it came out on me. I know I feel the way.